Fight urinary tract infections with these 5 natural remedies. 1. Pineapple tea. The diuretic properties of pineapple tea are a great support to cleansing the urinary tract in the presence of infectious agents. Its active agent, bromelain, has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effect that contributes to controlling the symptoms of infections. 2. Celery tea. Celery tea is a drink with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that, when absorbed, control the discomfort caused by urinary tract infections. Its active substances exert an interesting diuretic effect that, in addition to alleviating inflammation, helps to purify the kidneys and bladder. 3. Turmeric tea. Turmeric contains a powerful pigment called curcumin. This, in addition to its characteristic color, gives it anti-inflammatory and antibiotic effects. These qualities make it good to use to fight urinary tract infections and inflammation. 4. Garlic with honey. Both garlic and honey are part of a group of natural antibiotics that can help stop a wide variety of infections. Both ingredients can be combined in a single treatment to slow down the growth of bacteria that cause diseases in the urinary tracts. 5. Onion juice. Finally, the sulfur compounds in natural onion juice are powerful antibacterial agents that can help clean urinary ducts. This controls infections. In addition, its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties calm the painful and burning sensation that UTIs can cause. They also facilitate the elimination of the fluid retained in tissues. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.